Several hours have passed, and there is the head-up display wired, and the most cable. I hope I got it right. We'll find out. I'm probably just gonna do a test run before I put everything back, because this would be ridiculous to put everything back and then open it again. So what I did is I tapped into the CIC. This is the in from the CIC. This goes to the in of the hood. The out of the hood goes into the in of the CIC. The out of the CIC goes back into the output of the car, which this was installed on the CIC initially. So this is my theory, and I hope that I'm getting it right. We'll find out. For now, I bought the 5 meters. I know I don't need it, but I'm gonna try to make sure I don't kink the wire, because that would be detrimental. Spare wires, anyone? Another 5-meter cable there that got kinked. Here's the head-up display cutout in the dash. I basically took it indoors and I took my time with it. I kept on cutting and fitting the best way I can. This is the passenger side, the wiring mess. I tapped into the grounds that are here. There are 2 separate grounds, because there are 2 separate grounds required for the wiring. We're gonna start reassembling soon. I just want to make sure that everything is okay. I have 2 0.75 gauge wires that I'm gonna be running along the passenger side. It's easier for me. That's the only reason why I'm routing them to the passenger side, because I have experience on this side. And then I'll just get them to the fuse box area. And we're gonna start by just routing them, leaving them there until I'm ready to power the system. I might power it just to test things out. As I said, a test run before I put everything back. I'm gonna connect the CIC and the head-up display and see what happens. As long as the network is closed, I will continue the assembly. For now, we're gonna try to tidy up that mess as much as possible. It's not a job for the weak of heart. This is quite a challenge. I've done other retrofits, night vision camera, adaptive cruise control that I'm working on. So not new to the retrofit, but to go into that much detail is very involved. Because you need to have knowledge in the most, you need to have knowledge in routing the cables, you need to have knowledge in coding, reading wiring diagrams, and disassembly and reassembly, and making sure that you don't miss a wire or don't kink most cable. All right, we'll see how it ends up.